Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to play Rex in the Isle. Tyrannosaurus Rex is a heavy apex predator built for raw power and intimidation. Once you spawn in, the most important part of the game is to survive and grow your dinosaur. Remember to manage your stamina carefully. Open your dinosaur status by pressing Tab on your keyboard. From here, you can see the preferred food for Rex. Since there's no map available in-game, click the asset location shown in this tab. Then open your browser and search for islemaps.com. Here, you can paste your coordinates to see where you spawned. Once you know your location, plan your movement carefully. You can also use your scent ability by holding Q to locate bodies and activity areas. Avoid unnecessary chases. Rex relies on high damage output and strong presence rather than speed. You are not very mobile, so every movement decision matters. Use your presence to control territory near water sources and popular migration routes. And that's how to play Rex in the Isle. Thank you so much for watching.